Hi, welcome to Trending Moto PH. For today's video we are going to show you the latest motorcycle in the Philippines. But before I start, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for upcoming video. Number 1. Honda Genio. The all-new Honda Genio has an ever-expanding line of innovative and stylish motorcycle that is intended to allow Filipinos to experience the joy of riding. The chic design and special features of the all-new Honda Genio will solve the mobility concerns of the female commuters. Now, let's take a look at features and benefits. Modern LED light, advanced technology for better road illumination. Digital meter panel, keep track of your riding with an easy-to-read display system. Power outlet. An electrical power supply for your gadget's battery charger. Spacious inner rack. Have additional easy access storage for your personal belongings while riding. Secured key shutter with seat opener. Operate your bike with more convenience with the magnetic safety ignition and seat eject button features. Park brake lock. Get added safety and convenience when on a standstill through a lever lock that keeps your brakes engaged. Stylish tail light, enhance your visibility and security on the road with integrated signal lights and fender on your rear. Stylish decals. Make a stylish statement with a striking graphic decal design. Stylish muffler and pillion step. Turn heads with a seamless and classy design of the muffler and pillion steps. Tubeless tires and front disc brake, feel confident in every stop and turn with safety features you can rely on. Side stand switch. Turns off the engine automatically when you switch down your side stand. Enhanced smart architecture frame. Ride with more comfort and stability with Honda's latest lightweight body frame, with the of SRP 72,900 pesos. Number 2. The all-new Honda ADV 150. The all-new ADV 150 unique design and exemplary features embodies the preference of a unique individual who loves urban adventure. Now, let's take a look at features and benefits. Full digital meter panel. Adjustable windscreen. Twin rear suspension with sub-tank. 240mm front wavy disc brake with ABS, 220mm rear wavy disc brake. LED headlight with position light. LED tail light and hazard lamp. Wide front and rear tire with semi-dual purpose pattern. Honda Smart Key System. Console box with power outlet. 28 liters luggage box with seat stopper. With the SRP 149,000 pesos. Number 3. The all-new Supra GTR 150. The all-new Honda Supra GTR 150 is equipped with a 6-speed SOHC 4-valve liquid-cooled engine for maximum performance, great handling, and better fuel efficiency of 42 km per liter when riding in highways. It also has a LED headlight that ensures safety and clear sight on the road, as well as a full digital meter panel for ease of information in determining speed and distance. Now, let's take a look at features and benefits. Dual-layer LED headlight. Illuminate the road with an edgy LED headlight design. Full digital meter panel. Monitor every aspect of your riding with an easy-to-read display system. Tubeless tires and disc brakes. Feel confident with wider tubeless tires and bigger disc brakes that provide better traction, stopping power, and stability. Tail light and separated rear winker. Be more visible and secure on the road with separated signals lights on your rear. Aggressive decals. Make a statement with pillion step. Back ride in style with an integrated pillion step. Sporty undercowl. Accelerate with reduced air drag with added aerodynamics features. Liquid cooled with auto fan. Maintain consistent engine temperature even at high speed with an advanced radiator with auto fan. Bank angle sensor, a built-in safety feature that automatically turns off the engine when your bank angle exceeds 51 on either side. Big front suspension, move with comfort and stability with a bigger and more durable front suspensions that effectively absorbs shocks on the road. Aerodynamic body design, go faster with a body that is sculpted to slice through the air. Sporty muffler, move with better aerodynamics with angled sporty muffler. With the SRP 102,900 pesos. Number 4. The all-new Honda Airblade 150. The all-new Airblade 150 is designed as a cutting-edge, aimed to bring a new level of riding experience for young riders, looking for an AT bike with a standout look, power and cutting-edge comfort in shared riding. Now, let's take a look at features and benefits. Full digital meter panel. Honda Smart Key, keyless answer back and anti-theft alarm system. Helmet in, 22.7 liters luggage, LED lamp and power charger socket. Anti-lock braking system or ABS. Sporty muffler. SRP 109,000 pesos. Number 5. All new, Yamaha Mio Gravis 125. Now, let's take a look at features and benefits.